designed to exploit the workers. It does not give them any right at all. Here in this floor, the Attorney General was saying, it's the same thing. It gives them job security. Job security, my foot. A contract is a contract. After 3 years, that's the end. And it is sad to see all these employees, being left out, being kicked out because of that. Because it is a contract. Then there is this OMRS. OMRS has been used by this government to remove indigenous workers in the top position. Go to the civil service, from the directors up, no more indigenous people because they're using OMRS to remove them. It's totally racist. It's a racist by this government. They're using this instrument to remove indigenous people from top positions. Now you sit down. Honorable Speaker.
Point of order. Leading Parliament by giving false information, of which is absolutely no proof. Number two, Mr. Speaker, sir, he is also inciting Parliament and members of Parliament using racial vilification. With absolutely no proof for that. He simply stands up all the time, making all sorts of comments and thinks he can get away with it. There's certain standards need to be adhered to. Absolutely no proof of that, Mr. Speaker, sir. That comment needs to be withdrawn, please, with your indulgence.
Speaker, he can, after I have spoken, clarify something. So don't distract me. And the racist of them all is the Minister for Agriculture. There is no one above the level of directors who is native. And even worse, at the AHNMP interview, when an indigenous name came up, he said, don't bring that up. You can check this later. But that is the sad situation.
Nicola is a racist person himself, making this remark which he doesn't have full information. First of all, when all the directors were ethnic iTaukei, he didn't have any problem with that. Now when the directors' positions were all acting and now appointments are taking place, there's only, I think, 3 directors that has been appointed out of 2 others which is remaining. He is making a remark that all directors are not iTaukei. Now, the process is incomplete. Number 2, why is he referring to these appointments on ethnic lines? We are looking at appointing who's meritorious candidate who could deliver onto the expectation of the government and deliver services efficiently and in a timely manner to the people of India. What Honorable Nicola should talk about or question is if services are not provided efficiently in a timely manner, not who is there, what ethnic group or what religious belief. That's unfortunate that the person with legal background doesn't understand the government processes, doesn't understand the vision, and doesn't understand what people are looking for, wanting, rather than talking about racial issues. Thirdly, Honorable Nicola is attacking me and saying that I'm making appointments. Ministers don't make appointments. No way. There's a process where the secretary advises the position, and there's a whole lot of team handles at various levels like long listing, short listing, job tests, interviews. Minister is not at all involved in any of these positions, not even drafting. No, I'm not even aware that positions are being advertised. No, it's not minister's job. I myself see positions advertised or appearing in papers on Saturdays. No, it's totally operational matter, and I don't get involved in that. The only time I get to see who is appointed, who is recommended to be appointed, is when it comes from the appointments committee to the minister for concurrence. All I can say is I concur or not. If I say no, then I have to give the reasons and send the file back for them to explain. Minister is not responsible for any appointments.
Thank you very much, sir.